What can people expect from the bankruptcy process?
Well, first of all, that's a very good question, and it is a process. Basically, the bankruptcy petition, whether it's a Chapter 7 in which most of your debt is essentially liquidated, or Chapter 13 as an individual where you have a repayment plan which must be approved by the trustee and the court. It's a situation in which we compile a petition which consists of several dozen pages or more, in which your entire financial history as of the moment of filing is preserved in somewhat of a snapshot. So there are things like the worth of your assets, your home, your vehicles, your furniture, your tools, etc., that are listed. So it's a compilation and a collection of financial information which takes, in many instances, quite a bit of time to pull together. We have people here at the firm who do that, who assist you with that, who assist in getting the information, which is then translated into the petition for your review. Once the petition is complete, we sit down with you, we review the petition. The filing fee is paid, and the legal fee is paid, and the legal fee varies. And the court mandates the filing fees for a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13. So you review that, we consult with you, and then it's filed. And at the time of filing, three things happen. You're assigned a case number, you're assigned a judge with that case number. You're assigned generally a hearing date for your creditors meeting, and you're assigned a trustee who becomes essentially commandeers the assets of the estate of the debtor. So those three things happen. A hearing date is set. I attend the hearing date with you, and what makes us a little bit different is before the hearing date we sit down, go through the petition once more, anticipate any questions the trustee may have, and we do a role play situation so that you understand exactly what's going to happen the day of the 341 meeting. I was recently at a 341 meeting and was very dismayed to find out that some of the debtors that were there for their hearing were meeting their attorneys for the very first time. I have to share with you, I can't imagine that it was a pleasant situation for the client, and the amount of anxiety that must have engendered, plus the embarrassment. The client stood up in front of the trustee and said that his or her attorney was not there, when in fact the attorney was sitting 2 rows back and hadn't even bothered to meet the client. That is the antithesis of what our firm is about. It's personalized service. You're paying for knowledge, you're paying for service. You deserve to have all your questions answered. We will try to the very best of our ability to make certain that this rather anxious-filled process goes as smoothly as possible with the least amount of anxiety engendered. And you have my promise on that.